Yeah.
Here we go. Hello, everyone. I'm Steve Chastain. This is my friend Mark. And we're beginning a brand new vodcast that we hope is going to be helpful to you. We're calling it UTverse Unplugged. And in this vodcast, we're going to just try to help everyone navigate all the newness that's coming to us inside of UTverse. I am Steve Chastain. I'm a trainer. My formal title is AI training specialist. So I guess that means I get to train everybody on how to use AI. So that should be a lot of fun. We'll see how that goes. We're going to be offering lots of workshops and things like that. But part of the training that we're offering right now is every other week we're going to be putting out a vodcast in hopes that you'll watch it and can learn some other things about it. Mark, what do you do?
Well, my name is Mark Greig, and I am the principal AI architect, and I'm one of the creators of UTverse. I work with another person, Alex Trowbridge, to create UTverse. So it is a very exciting project and a very exciting time to actually be experiencing AI, right? It's so new to all of us, even to us who's building the application. But I hope that this whole podcast will really be insightful for everyone on how to really do the best that they can do and really benefit from using UTverse.
Hey, you're so right, Mark. I enjoy, it's almost every week Mark is coming up with something new that he's telling us about UTverse, and he'll come in and say, hey, watch what this is doing, and he'll flick a couple of buttons, this kind of thing. And it's amazing, Mark. You guys have done a fantastic job,
thank you.
Putting this thing together and helping us all get started. Now, we're going to make these recordings. We're going to put them anywhere special?
Actually, we're going to be placing them at tiny.utk.edu/UTverse. And that's where we'll find all of our videos of our podcast and also a lot of our other references as well.
Okay, like training materials and exactly. Information about UTverse. Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, that just sounds terrific. So we're going to talk about how to use UTverse, some of the features of UTverse.
Right. We're going to have a really deep dive into pretty much all the bells and whistles that you can use UTverse for and have some practical examples. Mm-hmm. So it's not just going to be these are the features and that's it. No, we're going to actually have plenty of examples, real use case examples too.
Oh, okay. So it's not just here's what it can do. We're going to show them how to do it.
Right, because everybody has their own use cases for AI. It's not just a one-size-fits-all, and we're going to be showing you all how to actually benefit all of these features into your own kind of workflow.
Okay. Well, that sounds fantastic, don't you think? So plan to be a part of this. Just go to the what is it, tiny.utk.edu/UTV. And when you get out there, you're going to see all the videos that we've put out there each week and be able to watch them over and over and over again if you want to. And let other people know about this new vodcast. And if you ever need additional help or something like this, as always, call the OIT Help Desk, which is 974-9900. And they'll get a ticket over to our group, and we'll get back in touch with you really, really quickly. Thanks, Mark.
Thank you.
See ya. Okay.